Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw TRX from Uphold to Tangem Wallet in 2025. If you're holding TRX on Uphold and want to move it to your secure Tangem Wallet for better control, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have the Uphold app or website open and logged into your account. You'll need to have some TRX in your Uphold wallet. If not, you might want to deposit or buy some first. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find your TRX balance. It should be listed under your assets. Click on it to see the details. Next, look for the Withdraw or Send option. This is usually a button or tab right there on the asset page. When you select it, Uphold will prompt you to enter the destination wallet address. Now, switch over to your Tangem Wallet app. Open it up, select your TRX account, and copy the wallet address. Double-check that it's for TRX, as crypto addresses can be wallet-specific. Paste that address into the Uphold withdrawal form. You'll also need to enter the amount of TRX you want to withdraw, making sure to leave enough for any network fees. TRX uses the Tron network, so expect a small fee, but in 2025, these are usually pretty low. Review all the details carefully, amount, address, and fees, then hit confirm. Uphold will send a confirmation code to your email or phone, so verify that to finalize the transaction. Once confirmed, sit tight. The transfer might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Head back to your Tangem wallet and refresh it to see your TRX arrive. And just like that, you've successfully withdrawn your TRX. In conclusion, withdrawing TRX from Uphold to Tangem Wallet is a smart move for securing your crypto in 2025. Always use hardware wallets like Tangem for better protection against hacks. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.